Hello, motherfuckers.
Hi, my name is CJ. Come with me as I attempt to ride and travel 6,000 kilometers solo around the Philippines with no timetable, no itinerary, no motorbike skills, no plans, just vibes. I'll be breaking down the daily expenses at the end of every episode. Come and join me. Let's go! One, two. Fuck. Traveling ain't all about fun and games, baby. Whew. Sometimes you gotta do the washing, eh? There you go. Human washing machine.
Share ka ulit dito sir pagka bakante mo.
Baka ma-shota na ako pagbalik ko nito.
Sige sir.
Boss, salamat na madami ha. Talagang ako tinulungan mo. Salamat sa boss. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Woo! Slowly today, baby. So I spent an extra night in Lake Mapapueke. So for the sake of record keeping, I'll be putting what I have spent for day 18. Let's go. Boss, pwede magtanong? Labasan?
Sundan mo lang ito sir. Ang kakaliwa, huwag kang kakanan. Ito pinakamin lang ang sundan mo sir.
Kaya nga po, salamat na madami po.
Sige sir.
Ingat po. Let's go! Woo! Well done, baby. Well done. Magandang umaga po. Makikikain po. Meron tayong gulay dyan, nanay?
Laing sir.
Yan. Isang laing. Ano pa? Isang ampalaya tsaka isang isda. Oh, salamat. Ampalaya, yellowfin tuna, and laing. Let's go. It's a bridge, baby. Sometimes I feel like I don't have a partner. I don't ever wanna feel like I did that day. It took me to the place I love. Ganda nga po.
May ano kayo sir, permit?
Hindi ba pwedeng kumuha dito, boss?
Ay, wala po dito eh.
Babalik pa ako ng boss. Naintindihan ko no. Malapit lang ba dito?
Aba, malapit lang po.
I have to get my permit. Oh my God, man. Magandang umaga po. Kukuha po ako ng permit papunta sa photo mines.
Sir, pasok sir. Fill out na lang po. Ilan po kayo sir?
Mag-isa lang ako.
Okay po.
Okay. Okay, so we got our permit. Let's do the photo mines, baby. Let's go. Opa. Opa. Whoa. And we got this, baby, we got this! Chicken! Fuck, please don't fucking rain on me now. Fuck. It's raining now, baby, let's go. Silong. Pasilong muna ako tatay ng konti ha. Tatay! Salamat na marami. Salamat! Lakas! Let's go baby. We nailed it. Baby. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Woo! Fucking made it. I think this is it. Gandang hapon po. Boss, salamat ng madami. Okay ba mga bantay ko ngayong gabi? Puta, salamat boss.